Have you been told that if you're ugly, it's because of your genetics? Because that's what I've been told my entire life. But that is simply just not the truth. It's actually our habits that determines how good we are gonna look. And the most powerful habit that we can do to improve our attractiveness is training our face. But before I teach you exactly what muscles to train and how to do it, I want you to first understand why you're ugly in the first place. Because we are actually not meant to be ugly. We were all pretty when we were children. So step number 1, bad habits ruined your looks, not your genetics. So there's a quick story that I want to tell you. So in my entire life, I have always been doing pretty much all the bad habits that you can think about. I always used to have forward neck posture, bad tongue posture, and I was always chewing on one of my sides on my jaw. So obviously when you do this over enough time, you start to get the impact of it, which in my case was that I started to become so ugly. And there was a specific time in my life where I knew that I had to make a change. And this was back in 2023 or 2024 when I was in college. And in this college, me and my friends were sitting at a table and we had just gotten an assignment for. And I made the assignment pretty quickly, and then I went onto YouTube and I was watching a pretty popular table tennis match. So when I watched this table tennis match, I was so focused on the match that I didn't realize that I actually was mouth breathing. So I was basically sitting like this, just completely focused on the match. And on my left side, I started to hear someone laugh, which was some of my friends. And first of all, I just thought, oh, they're just making fun of something. They just said something funny, right? But then I kept hearing it and I had that feeling. I don't know if you've ever felt it before, but I had a feeling that somebody was looking at me. So I turned my head and I looked to my left and I saw all of my friends was indeed laughing and they were looking at me for some reason. So I was starting to asking them some questions like, what are you laughing about? What's so funny? And then they actually take out their phone where they had taken a picture of me from the side profile. And I looked completely recessed. Like my jawline had some skin, like it looked like fat hanging off under my chin here. Furthermore, I was just mouth breathing. And the worst part is that I actually felt pretty confident about myself because I had been going to the gym for some time there. So I thought that I actually looked kind of attractive. But that instantly made me think, I look ugly as fuck. But that's when I started to learn that it was because of my bad habits that I've been doing in my entire life. And that's why now I'm so excited to share it with you so you can fix these habits yourself. So my action step for you right now is that I'm going to show you exactly how to fix what I call the 3 most common bad habits that I see people do that have the most impact on their looks. So the first one and the most impactful one is actually having a wrong tongue posture. So the thing is, if we don't have a correct tongue posture, which is placing our tongue on the roof of our mouth, basically something called the palate, we will actually get a recessed looking jawline because we will do something called mouth breathing. Because when we don't have our tongue against our palate, we won't apply pressure on top of something that is called our maxilla. Basically, it's just our upper jaw area, basically the jaw around here. And that is why for so many people, when they look at their side profile, they have what's called a recessed looking jawline. Basically just their maxilla hasn't been developed properly. It hasn't been pushed forward yet. So they have this kind of jawline look instead of this one. And that is simply just because you haven't had the correct tongue posture. So that is exactly what I'm going to teach you right now. So the correct tongue posture is very simple. You just take your tongue and you place it up against the roof of your mouth, against something called your hard palate. So your hard palate, to explain it very simply so you can understand it, it's basically just right behind your teeth. So right behind your teeth on the roof of your palate, you should just place the tip of your tongue against that part, like this. And then what you want to do is just that you close your mouth with your jaw like this. Then what you now want to do is just that you want to sink like this. Now you have the correct tongue posture. Basically, you're doing what's called mewing. When you do this over enough time, your maxilla will actually get pushed forward and you will start getting the most attractive looking jawline as possible. So the second most common bad habit that I see is actually that you're chewing on only one of your sides mainly. And what is gonna happen when you do this is that you will develop more muscle mass in one of your muscles on one of the sides of your jawline. Basically, it's called the masseter muscle. It's the muscle that you have right at the end of your jawline here. You can see it activating there. So basically, when one of these muscles are developed more, you will actually start to tilt your head more and your jawline will just look uneven because of course you have more muscle on one of the sides, which will easily make your face look more asymmetrical. So basically the action step to fix this is honestly very simple. You just gotta be conscious when you are eating that you are actually chewing on each side. So you are chewing like this instead of chewing like this. So you just basically want to chew like this. It's very simple. Just think about chewing on both sides. And then a little tip you can do is that if one of your sides is more developed than the other one, then just sometimes chew a little bit more on the weaker side until they look more equal. And then you will just start chewing normally again. So the third most common mistake that I see people do is actually your posture, especially your neck posture, but it can also just be your entire body posture. Because what I want you to understand is that if some part of our muscles or bones are uneven in our body, for example, which is something called an anterior pelvic tilt, I think it's called. Basically, it's just where your hips are to one of the sides or more forward. When this is done, your back will start to actually get fucked up, which will go to your neck posture, which will get fucked up, and then your facial muscles will start to get fucked up. It's so impressive how our body, if just one part is uneven, the rest of our body will kind of become asymmetrical as well. So you just have to figure out what part of your body is asymmetrical so you can start to fix it. And that is exactly why actually that I have a program where I literally go on one-to-one calls so I can literally tell from one look at you what your problems are so we can fix it. Furthermore, maybe you have other insecurities about your looks that I can help you fix. And that is exactly why this program is so powerful, because I can literally go on one-to-one instead of just guessing about what problems that you have. So we can actually save so much of your time so you don't have to do all the researching yourself. If you are interested in this, then go have a look at the top link of the description. All the details are there. So let's go to step number 2, which is customizing your looks by training your face. So that's a quick story that I want to tell you. So back in 2021, me and my best friend would always used to play Fortnite. And we wanted to go pro in this game, so we started playing almost every day for hours. We played a lot of tournaments, but we never fucking won anything. And I clearly remember that every single time that there was a tournament, I would always have to eat at that specific time, and my family always wants me to be at the table, right? So I clearly remember him sending me voice notes all the time, being fucking angry at me because I never fucking was ready for when the tournament started. So we were always behind with some games because I had to eat, so we couldn't play right away. But the lesson that I learned from this game, Fortnite, was that we could customize our skins basically. So you could pretty much just customize exactly how you wanted your character to look like. And that is exactly what I learned with our face as well. Because with our face, we actually have over like 40 different muscles. So we can literally sculpt our face. Like we can literally customize exactly how we want to look like. And that is exactly what I'm going to teach you right now. So as I said, we have over 40 different muscles. But what I have learned is that there are 4 specific muscles that if are trained, our face will look like a model basically. And in this video, I'm going to show you now the 2 of those muscles, which is called, first of all, the orbicularis oculi, and the second muscle, which is called, or it's not really a muscle, it's a bone, but I just call it a muscle to make it easier to understand, which is called your hyoid bone. So if you take a look at the screen here, you can see on the left side is a before picture of me from just roughly 1 year ago. And me on the right side is me now at 19 years old. So I am 18 on the left side and 19 on the right side. So it's not puberty that made me transform. It is literally because I just trained these muscles. So take a look on the left side, right? As I said, the first muscle that I want to teach you is the orbicularis oculi muscle. So basically what that muscle is the muscle around your eye area. It goes all the way around here. So basically, when we train this muscle, we can actually pull the end of our eyebrows and our eye muscle upwards if, for example, we are asymmetrical, or if just our eyebrows is raised, just like it is on this picture. You can see I have what I call the ghost look. Like I look like somebody who has just seen a ghost, basically. That's just what the look means. So what we could do is that we train the orbicularis oculi, and as you can see, the results are literally permanent. My eyebrows are literally going in a straight line now instead of going upwards like a rainbow. And that is literally just because I did an exercise, which is where you take your index fingers like this on the side of your eyebrows. Then you want to try to grab your muscle that you have right under here, your eyebrows. And then you want to think about pulling to the side and a little bit upwards like this. And then what you want to do from here is just that you squint as hard as possible, making an angry face, but not closing your eyes. Then you just want to do this to failure. When this is done for some months, you will literally get what's called your hunter eyes. If you take a look at it again, you can also see that I've gotten something called a positive candle tilt. Basically, it just means that from our eye here to the end of our eye here, it basically just goes in a positive way. It's kind of hard to draw, but as you can see, it goes a little bit upwards. Comparing it from here, it goes just in a straight line. So you can see the difference a bit, right? So I went from a neutral candle tilt here to now having a positive candle tilt here. Also just because I trained that eye muscle. And it basically just gives us the hunter eyes. So now let me teach you about the second muscle, which was actually the bone, which is called your hyoid bone. So our hyoid bone, if you take a look at the screen again, you can see on the left side here, I have a lot of skin hanging under my jaw area here, as you can see around here. But on the right side, I have the sharpest jawline ever. Like there's no skin hanging on under my jawline. And the way that I have done this is basically just by doing a simple exercise called neck curls. So basically just you want to lie with your head on the edge of your bed. And then what you just want to do is just thinking about rolling your neck inwards and then trying to touch your chin to your neck area like this. I will also have shown a video of me doing it so you can understand it better. But basically when we do this over enough time, your skin that you have under your chin here will literally get tightened up, so you will have more definition on your jawline. You also just want to do this exercise to failure, so you feel a burn around your throat area here. But there's of course so many other things that we can do as well to improve our looks. So if you want me to teach you about all the Looksmaxing stuff that is out there, so you can maximize your potential, like completely have a glow up, so you will get these kind of messages from girls, then I have put it all in one place, which is my program. Not only will I teach you exactly all the things about Looksmaxing that we can do, but I will also hop on frequent calls with you, like one-to-one calls, so I can teach you exactly how to do the form of these exercises, because they are pretty difficult to get down. So think about how valuable that is going to be, how much time that you're going to save, and I'm going to do everything in my power to transform your looks. Again, it's in the top link of the description. All the details are there. So now that we are at the end of this video, I really want to say a thank you for watching this far. Think about just how productive the video have been. You could have been watching Netflix or scrolling on Instagram, but you are here educating yourself. And that is why I know this channel will be exactly the thing for you, because I teach you exactly how to become the most attractive version of yourself, both with your body, but also with your face. So I will highly recommend you to go down and click subscribe. If you want to keep on learning, then go have a look at this video over here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah!